पहिला पश्चिम कालीकोट त्यहाँतिर पनि गएको थियो सुनिल तिमीहरू त्यतिखेरको ड्राइभरले बसिसक्यो जे रक्सी खाने तति गर्ने सब तिर्नु पर्ने यहाँ भनेर बताइरहेको थियो कुरा गर्नु कति तिर्नु पर्यो बस्ने बित्तिकै खाने आफूले आफूहरूले खायो होला त्यही कुरा आइदियो पुरा बस्ने बित्तिकै उसलाई दारू मासु चाहिने अरे यस्तो चाहिने दारू बसे कि दारू चाहिने उसलाई भन्दा थिएँ
Since the IPL in 2018, Brian, 4 innings, 350 plus scored versus your side. You've got to feel comfortable when you have success against a particular side?
Yeah, but I think it's important. He's such a well-rounded player against any sort of attack. So I think that he's confident and he's talented really well. And, against our looking to continue that success that he's had so far. So I think Rahul is definitely one of the most outstanding batsmen in the world, not just the IPL. So I expect him to really build on that big confidence for the future.
Yeah, we're hoping so as well. England fans will be hoping so. Let's take a look at the fourth-day playing 11 for the England Punjab. They will be batting first, remember, and we will see Rahul in action very, very quickly. Rahul up the top with Mayank Agarwal.